lot of users in Windows 11 and Windows 10 are facing problems with mobile hotspot not connecting to their devices. Here are some suggestions to fix this problem. Open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Press Next. Now close the window and restart. If that didn't work, open your Start menu. Type Services. Open Services. Locate the service WLAN Auto Config. Right-click it. Select Properties. In Startup type select Automatic. Press Apply and then OK. Click on Start the service. Now your service should be enabled. If that didn't work, first open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Click on Network Reset. Press Reset now. Press Yes. Now restart.